Kapodwan tiere weche motenre kod thieth en ni komachielo boma ma Bomet maloyo jodak 3,000 mawuok e gweng' ma Kepsosio e kar chung' od bura ma Chepalungu bende ne oyudo thieth maonge chudo mane otak kod tend county ma Bomet ka omakre kod riwruok mar M-Pesa Foundation. Chenrono mane geto chopo ne jotuo ma ok nyal ne oywayo ji mathoth mane manyo thieth kama ne oyangore ni oganda mathoth ni kod chandruok mar tuo sukari kod presa e kinde tuoche mamoko. Magi gin okenge mageto neno ni chenro mag pimo tuoche otel machiegni gi jopiny mondo okonye yango tuoche machando jopiny kendo timnegi thieth makare.
After the 1 year, then they should be able to ensure that they continue the payment of the premiums that are required of them so that they can continue enjoying the healthcare.
I think this year what we have done is to also add some other great areas of focus, from mental health to therapy, to areas around dental care, optical care, and a new one where we have then decided that customers also deserve the right to smile. So we have partnered with one of the partners who are then operating cleft lip, able to pick people from here, follow up and offer them some surgery beyond here.
So I want to appreciate that it is something that we shouldn't take for granted. Getting from the statistics that we've been given by the CEO, and which of course we've seen here, the numbers of the people who are elderly is much more than the young ones. It tells you then that medical care and condition is very critical, especially at certain age bracket.
Magonjwa hapa sana sana ni mambo ya diabetes, mambo ya pressure na cancer pia. Hata mimi ni one of the victim of diabetes. Nimefurahi sana. Hata nimepata dawa. Mimi napongeza M-Pesa Foundation kwa kutembelea sisi.
Riwruoge saga kod riwruoge